Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Videos from Goneedle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer the Mother's Day decal onto your t-shirt. So in this one I have 3 penguins, but what I'm going to be showing you is going to have two penguins because the person I'm going to be giving this to has only one child. Okay, first thing, we are going to prepare our surface. Take the iron, make sure there's no water and the steam setting is off, and then warm up the surface. If you need more details on how to, please refer to our how to transfer decals video on YouTube. Now second step, let's make a placeholder. Okay, yeah, this is good. So since it's gonna be one penguin, I went ahead and took out the S from the design, so which is gonna say only from your peep. Okay, this is gonna go here. Okay, now we are gonna put our first layer. Go ahead and press your first layer for 30 seconds. Remember to use lots of pressure, and your heat setting is on the highest, and then for each area keep it for 30 seconds. Now your first layer is done. We are going to go ahead and remove the carrier sheet slowly, and then we are going to add your second layer. To do this, we are going to place your black part of your penguin. Do this, and then we are going to slide your white slowly inside so we know where it has to go. Okay, this looks good. Since the black goes on top of white, we are going to keep the white like that. Put your carrier sheet, iron it. Now go ahead and remove the carrier sheet from the white part slowly. Now for the third layer, do this. This point we can add the foot. The beak, when you are putting the beak, remember, make sure that the carrier sheets are not overlapping. Okay, now let's go ahead and iron. Okay, let's go ahead and check if it's done. No, it's coming off. So put your Teflon sheet or your parchment paper or the fabric, put it back and start ironing again. Another 30 seconds. Adding lots of pressure. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the carrier sheet. First I'm going to remove from this black part so that I can add the eyes. I'm going to leave the carrier sheets on for the other parts till the end because I'm going to be ironing on top of it again. Okay, place your eye. Okay, now I'm going to be ironing on that. Okay, now for the top final part, let's see how it is. Yes. Okay, that's nice and clean. Do it very slowly. Remember to remove all the carrier sheets. Yes. You're all good. You have your Mom's Day personalized t-shirt. Thank you for watching.